Welcome to God's Fast English. Here we train our ears to understand real, fast, natural English, just like native speakers use in movies, TV shows, and everyday life. In each video, we will listen to short clips, break them down, and uncover every word and the sound, so you can understand English easily and confidently, even when it's spoken quickly. If you've ever struggled to catch what's being said in a video, clip, or scene, this is your solution. Before we begin, don't forget to click the subscribe button and join our journey to master English listening. So let's break down today's clip step by step.
That last level almost killed us all. I can barely walk. That last level almost killed us all. I can barely walk.
The last level almost killed us all. I can barely walk. Let's start from that last. The T in that is soft, and because last starts with hello, we connect them smoothly. It sounds like the last,
the
last, instead of that last. Second, level almost. When spoken first, level almost can link the hello sound connects both words, so it feels like level almost. The middle E in level gets reduced. Then killed as or. The D in killed becomes a soft frap. It becomes soft frap, almost like a quick dot. Then as starts with a vowel, so we link it like kill this or kill this or. I can barely walk. In fast speech, can is reduced to just like kin. We pronounce it like kin. So instead of I can barely walk, we say I can barely walk. Level here means a stage in a game or challenge, and bare means almost not at all, just a little. So I can barely walk means I almost cannot walk.
Your grandpa beats the hell out of the wrong guy. Your grandpa beats the hell out of the wrong guy.
Your grandpa beats the hell out of the wrong guy. Your grandpa beats the hell out of the wrong guy. First, your grandpa. In fast speech, your often reduces to your. Beats the hell out of. Beats the S in beats connects to the beats like this. Beats hell out of. This part reduces a lot. Out of becomes outer or even outer. So it sounds like hell louder. All together, beats hell louder. The long guy. Hell out the long guy. Here we have the, and here we have the, and when he connects them, it sounds like the long guy, and he's in fast English, in fast speech. Hello the long guy, hello the long guy. And here, long guy, we take one G, and then we pronounce it like long guy, long guy. Here, beats the hell out of means hits or attacks very strongly, and long guy, the person who was not supposed to be attacked.
Or we get attacked by a polar bear or something? Or we get attacked by a polar bear or something?
Or we get attacked by a polar bear or something. Or we get attacked. Or we can reduce to or we, small free, and get attacked. The T in get flaps into a quick D, and attacked keeps the stress on tact. So it sounds like get attacked, get attacked. Then all together, or we get attacked, or we get attacked by a polar bear, by a polar bear. The by a links, by a. So by a polar bear, by a polar bear. And then or something. The G in something is often dropped in casual speech. Something. So, or something. Here, polar bear is a big white bear from the Arctic.
What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do?
What am I supposed to do? This is a question. And what am I? What am I? Here, what loses the strong T? It sounds like wa. Then, am I? Am I links smoothly like what am I? What am I? And then, supposed to. This part changes a lot in American English. We don't say supposed to carefree. Instead, the D is dropped and to becomes ta. So it sounds like supposed to do. For example, I can give you more example. For becomes for, like wait for, looking for, and off becomes a, like lots of, lotsa, kind of, kinda, out of, outer. Also, them becomes like give them, tell them to come. And because becomes cause. I'm late because of traffic. I'm late because of traffic. That's why even here supposed to we say supposed to, supposed to do, ta, ta, ta.
I'm not gonna beat up the wrong guy. I'm not gonna beat up the wrong guy.
I'm not gonna beat up the wrong guy. I'm not becomes amna, quickly, just quickly. Then gonna, as usual know that, yeah, still the same. I'm not gonna. Yes, I'm not gonna. Beat up. The T is in beat is sometimes dropped when linking it to up. So instead of beat up, we hear beat up. Yeah. Then the long guy. The stress falls strong on long. So it sounds like the long guy. We sound only one G. Long guy. Then all together, I'm not gonna build up the long guy. 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 Yes. And beat up means to fight and hurt someone physically.
You are gonna beat up the wrong guy. You are gonna beat up the wrong guy.
You are gonna beat up the wrong guy. Here remember that you are becomes you are, and are sounds like are. You are gonna beat up the wrong guy. Beat up the wrong guy. And gonna stays as it is. And beat up, T in a beat sometimes dropped when linking to up. So instead of beat up, we hear beat up. Somehow we try to soft D. Beat up instead of beat up. Beat up, yes. And long guy. Quickly, long guy with one G. Long guy, yeah.
You're not a good bravestone. You're not a good bravestone.
You're not a good bravestone. So here, is like you are. You're not like this. You're not a good bravestone. Then not a good, not a good. Here T becomes a frap, like a quick D sound. Not A becomes like not like this.
You're too stubborn and pissed off. You're too stubborn and pissed off.
You're too stubborn and pissed off. First, here. Just quickly. You're too stubborn and pissed off. Just quickly. Here there's no big change. And too stubborn, no big change. But and is becoming and pissed off. And pissed off. Yeah. Pissed off is becoming pissed off. T. D is dropped and he's sounding T. Pissed off. Just like this. Pissed off. Stubborn, just like when someone doesn't want to change their mind, even if they are wrong. And for example,
He's stubborn. He doesn't listen or won't change his opinion. Then pissed off. It's like very angry and upset or annoyed. For example, she's pissed off. She's really mad. She's really mad.
And you keep getting us killed. And you keep getting us killed.
And you keep getting us killed. First, and is N. And you, yeah, and yeah, like this, yeah, and keep. Then keep. Here, the P is not strong. It is a short stop. Like your lips close, but don't puff air. Yeah. And getting us sounds like get in us, like this. Getting us. We've frap D for getting. Asked sounds like us. Asked. Getting us killed. And keep, just to continue, don't stop. Getting us killed, getting us killed, just like causing us to die or putting us in danger all the time. Guys, this is the end of today's part. In the next video, we will continue from where we stopped. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click subscribe button so you don't miss the next part.